adjustable. Okay. All right. See something. Okay. Go up right up in there. I put a little coat of oil on that O-ring. Okay. Watch that O-ring. Make sure it goes up in there. I'm gonna try this. Little tool here. See if it's gonna grab it. Yep, actually, here's like, well, you could use the filter pliers if you wanted. I'm not sure they do make, regular filter sockets. I don't have one because I bought this. So, okay. There we go. One filter changed. Gotta figure out where this oil is coming from now. I didn't notice that oil leaking previously, but then again, this is the first oil change that I've done. So again, you find a little Allen that'll go up in there. You can pull that out and then it'll drain the excess out, or you can just go ahead and undo that and just let it drain out like you would normally do with a regular filter cartridge. But I don't know why they just didn't make it with an external cartridge system. Okay. Make sure of that. And again, if you do take this one out, you do have an O-ring that goes with that kit. All right, let's get the oil in here. And this takes, as you can see, this takes 520. Like holy cow, this stuff is like water. There's no real viscosity to it. And see how it just pours? Normally I'm used to 1030 or 1040 oil, and of course this is full synthetic. Basically, you're going to go with the thinner oil because your tolerance or your clearances within the motor are really tight. So they want the thinner oils year round. I remember when you were starting out, you'd go with the thinner oil in the winter, and then you'd get a thicker oil in the summer. That's still just a dripping out of there. Which means you're getting all the oil. It's not coating it. The thicker oils used to coat the inside of the container, so take longer to do there. That stuff is black. have to be warm to run, that's for sure. That's it. Alrighty. There we go. Alright, so looking good. Got that done. I don't have to worry about that. 10,000 more miles. I'll be resetting the counter inside the motor. I don't think I can yank this off. I was curious about what was under here. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up. Quiet, huh? Look under here for oil leaks. Well done. All right. Get stuff. Yeah, I guess the next thing I gotta do is reset the tire fault, let's say. The oil rate change. Okay, oil change now. Let's see, I gotta go over here to set and let's see. See if we get that. We get that reset. All set now. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Closed doors. Closed door. Closed door to reset. Okay, it did. Why we got a door open still? Hood ajar. Huh. Let's see, what the heck's going on? Okay. Let's see. I have a door ajar. Okay, I know that. Okay. Now I was talking about I had to close the hood. Ain't that something? Close the hood. Okay. Let's see. Instant econ, normal, units. Wish for new. Energy normal. Engine. Change oil 0. Whoops, okay. Come back through. Okay, tire sensor. Hold set. Okay, all set to 100%. Alright, it's just by pushing this button here. So we're at 100% now. I don't think there's anything else I need to check under there. Maybe I do. Maybe I need to go back under there and make sure I don't have any ball joints or anything that need to be greased. So we were all set. As you see, I used the Fram Ultra Synthetic 20,000 mile filter, which means if they recommend you change it every 10,000, you could actually leave that in for 2 oil changes. Totally up to you. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me again on Project Escape.